All right, guys, welcome back to the Blue Ocean Kitchen here. We're going to be cooking some Hawaiian garlic shrimp. It's kind of a request we had the other day from someone coming into the shop, so we'll go ahead and pull this one off for them. We're going to start again with our beautiful green-tail local North Carolina shrimp. We're going to go ahead and take the tail off, or the head off, I do apologize. And then we're just going to peel everything back, leaving the tail on. Normally this would be a whole shell on animal, but I think this is more apt for either a cocktail party or for dinner. You're not really going to scare too many people with this one. So now we've got the shrimp peeled, we've left the tail on. We're going to put the shrimp on the side, and we're just going to go ahead and butterfly it. So now that we've butterflied it, we're actually going to make sure it's nice and butterflied. It's been cleaned, and that's what the butterflied shrimp should look like. We're going to go ahead and add this to our flour and our cornstarch in a bag, shake it up with some spices, and get going. All right, guys, now we've got all of our shrimp processed. We've got it in this fandy dandy, Ziploc bag right here. We're going to go ahead and add cornstarch, maybe a couple tablespoons, and some flour, a couple tablespoons. Okay. Then we're going to add our chili lime seasoning. It's just basically some chilies, a little bit of lime zest, garlic, red pepper. Then we're going to add our paprika right there, and we're going to fold the bag up, zip her up, and it's shake and bake time. All right, shrimp are nice and crusted and dusted. We're going to fold the bag down, kind of shake off the excess. Go ahead and put them onto your cutting board. They got a nice pink hue, so the spices have adhered to it. And our shrimp is dusted. Now for the next part. All right, so we're back here at the stove. We've done a couple of things ahead of time. One of the things we've done ahead of time is we've diced all of the garlic and we cooked it down in some oil until it was nice and caramelized in color. This is kind of the cheating step. We want to do this ahead of time, let it cool down, and you'll see why here in a second, okay? We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Generally, I wouldn't say olive oil, but you want part of the flavor with this. We're going to add some butter. Kind of get that working right there. All right, so now we've got our shrimp. Go ahead and put that in. We're kind of frying, or shallow frying it would be called, in our pan here. Go ahead and let that kind of cook up a little bit. If you think you need a smidgen more oil, add a smidgen more oil, it's okay. Now for the first flip. All right, so now you can see we got kind of a fierce environment going on. There's a lot of bubbling going on. There's quite a bit of heat to this. We really would have burnt the garlic if we had done this without candying the garlic first. And the trick to Hawaiian garlic shrimp is garlic, and lots of it. All right, increase the heat to high. Shrimp's almost cooked. Our last pat of butter. A splash of wine. Parsley. Should have warned you. Little chive. All right, guys, we're ready to plate. All right, guys, so to pair with our garlic shrimp here, we've gone ahead and made some of this Savor the Flavor South Carolina curried rice. It has some lovely raisins in it. We've added some charred pineapple and some scallions to it. We're going to go ahead and plate this, okay? All right, guys, so here we have my interpretation of the garlic Hawaiian shrimp over a little bit of the curried charred pineapple rice with some chives to finish and some of that beautiful candy garlic sitting right on top of there. Thank you so very much.